Okay, here we are. I just went to the post office and got both of the packages I was waiting for from China and Singapore. A DASHCAM. A brand new DASHCAM. It says on it, apparently this isn't the international version, so I have everything on it in Chinese. I hope you can see. Everything's in Chinese or some other Asian language. The only thing I understand is 180p, probably 60 frames per second, 2.7-inch something. Wow. Simple DASHCAM box. Ooh. Wait a second. Okay, apparently you're not supposed to slide it off. It's a tear off. Damn. Damn. Awesome. You saw? This was a real reveal. Also on the lens, the sticker has everything in Chinese, so it feels a lot less cheap than everyone on YouTube has been saying. Every review I've seen always says how cheap it feels. The plastic itself feels cheap, but the device does feel heavy, as if it is an actual electrical appliance, so it's less cheap than I thought. And of course I also bought a micro SD card to fit it. Oh, cool. I got instructions. The instruction manual is in okay, not in any language I understand. Some sort of Asian Chinese thingy. No clue. Okay. It should be pretty simple. That's what everyone's been saying. And I am super excited. Okay, so I got the camera here. I got some piece of cardboard that says Yi on it. I got the cable, which is probably as heavy as a camera. And I got the mount. Oh, and I see this is the adhesive mount, which means I actually did buy the Chinese version and not the international version. Everyone's been saying the international version has a suction cup mount. Okay. See, the mechanism to disconnect it is basically just lifting up this piece of plastic and sliding it aside. Okay. Awesome. Cool. Extremely happy.